Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the hybrid inheritance. What do you mean by hybrid? More than one level. So it will have a three level of inheritance is possible over here. One is a single inheritance is available here. Hierarchical inheritance is available here. Third level is a hybrid inheritance. That I will show you along with one live example. So your hybrid means consist of more than one. Hybrid always general meaning itself, we can say it is a more than one. It is a combination of two or more type of a inheritance only. We can call it as a hybrid. So while combining these two things, that is a single and hierarchical only, we can able to form the hybrid inheritance. See here, I'm having a grandfather, father, it will have a son and daughter. So while I'm having a relationship between grandfather and father is a single inheritance. Father, son, and a daughter. This is a hierarchical inheritance. Through the son, I can able to access the grandfather. Through daughter, I can able to access the grandfather. The daughter can access father, son can access the father, but daughter cannot share the properties of son. Son cannot share the properties of daughter. This is a possible in the hybrid inheritance. So in generally, if we have more than one inheritance is possible under a single thing, it will be called it as a hybrid inheritance. Now let us see along with certain example. So for that, I'm sharing my entire screen. See here, I have to open my new file. So in that, I am going to put it over here. So see here, class grandfather is my parent class. So I have used the one function called as a void show. So it inherit the class father automatically inherit the properties of grandfather. So I am a father is my function name form to show. So father, it will have a two properties. One father, it will have a two child. One is a son, another one is a daughter. So here I have to give it for my son. Here I'm going to use it for my daughter. Inside the daughter only, I'm having the main class. Main class is available only in my daughter thing. So in this cases, I have to create an object. By daughter object means I can able to access the I can't able to access the son. I can able to access the father as well as the grandfather. So form one dot show means is my grandfather, two is father, three is my son. But son is not possible because it is never inherited the thing. Only we have inherited the father property. See here, I'm going to save it is a daughter because that is a main function available over here. So for that, we're going to save daughter dot Java. So now I have saved this one already available. So again, I'm going to save this thing. So how we can execute Java C daughter dot Java. See here, we are having a one error because show three. So see here, show three is my son because son never inherited over the daughter class. So see through that, I'm going to convert this thing in the comment line. Now I'm going to save this thing. So whenever you're doing certain changes in the program, definitely you have to save the file. Then only we can able to run the thing. So again, I'm saving. So see here, there is no error because a son never inherited, daughter never inherited the son because it is a hierarchical, the same level cannot be inherited. So you're having an error that can be resolved over here. Now I'm going to use Java daughter. See here, I am a daughter. It will have another function called as a father can be accessed and also grandfather can be accessed. For example, how we can resolve this thing in that type of situation. So again, I'm going to create a, what is my son class father? It will have a son, S-O-N. So son, I'm going to create an object OB. OB is my object name dot new son. So if I give it over here, here I have to use, for example, ob dot show 3. If I used over here like this, see here, I have changed my code because I have created an object for the sun. Through that, I can call this property. So how it can be executed, see here. So some error is over there. It doesn't. So see here. So see here, I have to close to my this thing. I have to use this is a daughter one. So here also I am going to use daughter one. I closed my file. Now I have to created my main class name public. I have to use daughter. So through that I'm going to close the thing. So see here. Now I have changed my program. So you're having 8 errors. Why it would be 8 errors? The parent class name, I doesn't change the parent class name. So I have changed the parent class name as a daughter one. See here. Here it doesn't mention the thing. I have changed the object. So here I have changed. So I have changed the thing. So see here. So class interface is e-named. See here is certain. Whether I have closed this thing is I have closed. Inherited the father properties daughter one. So here I am going to use public class daughter public static void main. I'm saving this one. So I'm having only one error, that is the object ob dot sun. Sun object ob dot sun. So see here, what is an error? So here ob equal to new sun. So I did some minor error. So see here. So class, public class should be declared in a file name daughter one. Daughter one is a public. So I have to sorry. So I have used this thing. So here I have to use the public class daughter. Now I have executed that program. So I doesn't have error. So again, I'm going to run this program. So see here. So these three objects can be used by daughter class. If I access the sun classes, for that I have to create an object for my sun classes. So there in previous thing, whatever I have explained is I have used my main class under my daughter derived class. Now I have to separate the thing. A main function is I have to given separately. Through that, we can able to access this thing. So this is the thing, how we can use the hybrid inheritance in the Java programming. So thank you for watching my video. In my lecture series, I'm going to give the detail about my next video.